In this video, we'll show you how quick and easy it is to install Brake Plus into your vehicle. To begin installation of your Brake Plus module, locate the light where you want the module installed. Remove the light casing. On older models, simply pull the light casing out. On newer models, there may be a few screws which need to be removed first. Gently pull the wires outside of the light socket area and eliminate the slack. If possible, move the speed nuts to outside the light socket. This will keep the wires from falling back into the light socket when cut. Identify which wires leading to the light are the positive and the ground wire. You can check with the manufacturer or simply test with a multimeter and probe. Crimp the included T-tap onto the ground wire. With the slack pulled out, clip the positive wire. Be sure to clip it the same distance from the bulb as you attach the T-tap to the ground wire. This keeps the module from being installed lopsided. Strip both ends of the positive wire about 1/4 inch from the tips. Grab the appropriate Brake Plus module. Grab the positive wire end that's going to the light and insert it into the yellow wire's bullet connector on the Brake Plus module. Crimp securely. Grab the positive wire end that's going to the battery and insert it into the red wire's bullet connector on the Brake Plus module. Crimp securely. Plug the module's black wire into the T-tap you crimped on earlier. Ensure all connections are secure. Tuck the module and wires back into the light socket area. Test to ensure proper function. Repeat this process for all lights you want Brake Plus installed onto. Thank you for watching this video and for your purchase of Brake Plus. Be safe out there.